Hello valued customer. Thank you for choosing Rosenthal Collections for carefully curated products. To achieve the best performance out of your new ring Sizer and Mandrel, we decided to make this video just for you. The purpose of a mandrel is to measure the size of a ring if you do not have the customer present, and for the ring sizer is if you have the customer present and not the ring. Here I will demonstrate using a plastic mandrel, a plastic ring sizer, a size 6 wide ring band, and a size 6 thin ring band. Using your plastic ring sizer, simply slide your ring down the mandrel until you start to feel resistance. It's that simple. Now using a wetting band. Because hard metal does not expand and the mandrel is narrow, when sizing a metal band onto a plastic mandrel, you must push down hard until there is no more resistance, which will give you the correct band size. Now, how about the ring sizer, which goes from 1 to 15? Just select the most appropriate size for whichever finger you wish to measure so it goes smoothly over your finger. Once it fits comfortably to your liking, that is the correct finger size. It's that simple. After watching this video you still have questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.